here, my son and I are going to show you guys how to make safe slime. It's super easy. You're gonna need some glue, some contact solution, baking soda, some paint for color. Washable paint works well. And then we are going to add some type of beads or gemstones to our slime. We like to use this tray here and an old bowl and then a container here to also put our slime in. So let's get started. First, you're gonna pour 12 ounces of glue into a bowl. Next, add 1 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda to the glue. Add washable paint to create your color. Adding more color will make the slime darker, and adding less will be more pastel. Next, you're gonna add your contact lens saline solution. Add 1 tablespoon first, mix it up, and then add the next. The solution allows the slime to get stretchy. Keep mixing until you get the perfect consistency. If you would like, add some fun gems, beads, or jewels. Roll your sleeves up and enjoy your slime.